welcome to the vlogs. I'm Snow, and today I feel like a TV show. You know, we've got the camera crew. Today we're going to be doing a shoot with cardboard, scissors, and a camera.
Hello there, the angel from my nightmare, the shadow in the background of the morgue, the unsuspecting victim of
Basically, we're going to be using scissors and cardboard to create holes in the cardboard to basically block out the sun. So if you turn around, so basically once I've held this against the sun, the light will come through the holes that I've made and then it'll shine on Tara's face, and you'll see that in a second. Okay, so now you can see I've made holes in the cardboard with the scissors right there, and then Tara, once I've put it in front of the sun on Tara's face, you can see these cool little lighted dots on her face, and it looks really cool. So yeah, let's get some shots. Okay, so now we've just done slits in. I'm so excited. Okay, so now we've just done slits in the paper in the box, so then you get this cool slitted look, and then we're going to use that one as well on Tara. So let's go. Just quickly before we leave, we're just going to do shots with a rainbow sun catcher, a really cool, nice effects. Basically what you do with this is put it in direct sunlight, and it only works in direct sunlight. Have some shadow on the model, and then you can see these nice rainbow effects, and I'll show you just quickly.
Where are you? And I'm so sorry. I cannot sleep, I cannot dream tonight. I need somebody and always. The sick, strange darkness.
Oh, sweet niblets. Update.
Update. You really need an assistant.
You
for
really
this,
need an
'cause-
assistant.
Okay, so just a quick update. I got the cardboard box here, I got the sun prison up here, and I've got this one recorded here.
Sides, like indecision to call you. And hear your voice of treason. Will you come home and stop his pain tonight? Stop his pain. Don't waste your time on me. You're already the voice inside my head.
Okay guys, this is a quick little video we did. Thanks for watching, and make sure you check out my video. Check out Tara's Instagram at Tara Pride right here, and I'll see you soon. Bye.